Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we are loading our newest tractor. I don't know what exactly it is. I'll probably post a text right here saying what it is. But yeah, we are loading this today. We will be oversized. And I just want to give you a brief look around before we load it. You guys will see us loading it up with the camera, probably in the back over there. I don't know exactly where we're gonna put the chains on it, but yeah, this thing is big. For perspective, this is me inside of it. It's big. So, I'll start recording whenever we start loading it so you guys can see our unloading process. And I'll see you soon. Okay, so we're back. We just finished the unloading and loading process. Oh, we finished the loading process. We haven't finished the unloading process. That'll be a while. But yeah, right now my dad's going over to get the back truck up, over to all the way right here, so that we can put that bucket down on top of it. So I think we're gonna throw a strap over it, I believe. And then for the rest of it, maybe 2 chains, 4 binders, at minimum maybe 3 chains, 1 up front, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back, and maybe 6 binders. I don't know yet. But yeah, right now my dad's backing it up, hooking it up. We're doing all of that right now. Yep. So, I believe you're gonna get rid of that log, or that piece of wood, and we're gonna basically make this more stable. I believe that's what we're doing right now. That's what my dad's doing. Yeah, I'll give you another look around this tractor. I was helping my dad look at the wheels so that they were straight and so I didn't fall off, because that'd be bad. Then there's one more step. He's gonna hook these with the big metals on it so it stays in place. Then he's gonna put the air pressure in, which are these. But yeah, my dad's probably gonna lower the bucket onto the top. And then after that, I think we'll be done. So, yep. I'll see you guys later. Yep. I'll start recording again whenever we start doing the chaining process. So what my dad's doing right now is he's taking the bucket down so we can put this chain on. And actually we needed 4 chains, 7 binders, I'm sorry. I was 1 chain and 1 binder short. So, sorry for the confusion. I thought we could just put a strap over this, but the bucket is too heavy for a strap, so we need to put a chain on it. I guess if you want, you can put like 3 straps over it too. That'll work fine. Probably not recommend it. Might break a few. Okay, well. And my dad's gonna put it down. I'll cut to the training and all that. So, see you then.